Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what's on your side, Librans. Oh my god. See what's there on your side, Librans. What's there for Librans? Okay, so we have the Four of Pentacles on your side. Let's see on your person side. Okay, Five of Cups. Most likely outcome. The Hermit. Okay. So as far as these three cards are concerned, you are totally closed off, keeping things close to your chest, not revealing your feelings, not opening up. And on the other side, your person is really very upset, and they really don't know what to do, because the final outcome here is the Hermit. So definitely just see the synchronicity in these two cards. So basically the most likely outcome here is trying to seek the answers, trying to see as to where it goes. The other person is depressed, you are not opening up, and just looking for answers within, trying to just see where it goes, what's going to happen. No action is being taken. So let's see, as it clarifies, what's there for the why is this Four of Pentacles here for? Okay, so we have the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Two of Wands, here with the fives, this Five of Cups here for the Four of Pentacles again on this side, the Nine of Wands, and the Five of Wands. Okay. Why is this? I just felt like taking this. It's the Death and the Rebirth card. Let's see, why is this? It's all over the place. What's happening, Librans? I'll just keep them back, but still we have the Eight of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Chariot. Let's see if they really have something. Will come up again. Okay, so we have the Page of Wands, the Star, the Queen of Swords, the Hangman, okay, and the Six of Wands finally. Okay, anyway, we have the Four of Wands also. Okay, so for the Four of Pentacles, we have the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, and the Two of Wands. So though you are closed off, keeping things close to yourself, but still waiting for something, earnestly. waiting for something to happen which is close to your chest, close to your heart. Definitely, though you are not opening up, but still it's in your mind. You're waiting for it to happen. It's close to your heart. Definitely, something is close to your heart. Something or someone is close to your heart, and you're waiting for them, perhaps. Definitely waiting for them. Perhaps you're waiting for them to reach out to you. Perhaps. And here for the Five of Cups, we have the Four of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, the Five of Wands, and then the Death and the Rebirth card. So as I said, that this person is really depressed and feeling very upset. They are also not opening up. They're holding back, not opening up. And with the Nine of Wands and the Five of Wands, what I am feeling here is that initially there is some sort of a barrier over here. You feel there is some sort of a barrier which you can't cross. But then perhaps you start trying to cross it. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm getting now. So basically you're holding things close to your heart, not opening up. Anyway, for both of you, it's close to your heart. It's a treasure. You treasure this person. You treasure this person. It's close to your heart. You are not able to cross this barrier for whatever reason. Not ready to come out of it. But now with the Five of Wands, perhaps you have started using this barrier itself to make a way out. Yeah, beautiful. This is not what I was getting initially. Now I'm getting this. So this barrier, whatever this barrier was in your path, which was stopping you to move forward, you have started using it as a ladder so that you can make an exit. Or you started aligning these barriers themselves to step up or make them a ladder so that you can come out. And following it is the Death and the Rebirth card, which means that whatever had ended or you felt blocked with, which was causing the death or the end, or it was making this relationship static, it wasn't because whatever the reason was, which was not making you move forward, you've started aligning that in a form of a ladder so that you can come out of it. So the death is talking about the death of this barrier, and rebirth is talking about that you've started making an effort to make this a ladder so that you can come out. Basically, you want to come out of it, and that is the rebirth which it is talking about. Okay, so basically you're now making an effort. You're now making an effort to align whatever the barrier was, to cross that barrier and to use that barrier itself in a form of a ladder so that you can come out of it. Okay, and here as the outcome we have the Hermit. So I said no action was taken, but trying to find some solutions as to what should be done in this situation. For that we have the Page of Wands, the Star and the Sword. Queen of Swords, sorry. This card is coming again and again, I think in this reading or in a Pisces reading perhaps. So you want to have the grip of what you have lost again, because you see them as a wish fulfillment. So you know that you want it. This is a star which you want to catch again, which perhaps you have lost the control on. So whatever you want to catch this again, and this is your wish fulfillment. That's what I'm getting. You want it, you want to catch hold of it, you want the grip of it, you're focused on it. That's what I'm getting. You want to have the grip again, and this is your wish fulfillment. So this is what you are trying to find answers to or solution to as to how this should be done. Okay, and because of that you started working on it and trying to make a way out as to how to achieve it. And here we have the Queen of Swords, the Hanged Man, followed by the Six of Wands and the Four of Wands. So the Queen of Wands, somebody here is very detached. Somebody is detached and just waiting. Maybe it's you, because here also I see that this person is waiting for the other person to make a move, and this is the person who started making a move, now making an effort. And with the Queen of Swords, this person is totally detached. I think it's you, waiting for the other person. And this person wants to have it again in their hands, because they see it as their wish fulfillment. Okay, and here with the Hanged Man, so maybe whatever it was since a long time. Things were stuck since a long time. That is one thing. Another thing is that the things which were stuck and taking such an effort to happen are finally happening. With the Six of Wands, the Hanged Man, this stuck energy is being followed by immediately this what I'm getting is the upside down and the immediate standing erect. So it's like the things which were hanging or stuck in this relationship, immediately they just somersault and they just flip, and it is followed with Six of Wands is victory, it's achievement, and followed by the Four of Wands, it's celebration. So basically what I see is that this is something which was stuck since a long time, and since somebody here lost control of it, they want to have it again. They see it as the wish fulfillment, and now they are making an effort to make it happen, and ultimately it does happen. It does happen. They are able to achieve it. So they have started aligning this barrier of the Nine of Wands to the Five of Wands. This is a major thing which is causing the turn of events over here. The effort which they are making to ultimately come out and make a move, solutions they have started finding, and then that is why they are able to achieve this happiness and get together, celebration. Okay, let's see what is the message from the universe for Librans. Ask for help. What do you really need? Be willing to accept support. Number 14 or number 5 may be of some significance for you. Again, with the Hermit, as I said, trying to look for solutions, trying to find answers within, and if needed, it's something parallel to it. If maybe you are dealing with somebody who is of there's an age gap between both of you, can be that. So ask for help. If you need, you can go to the counselor, you can take help from somebody senior, somebody who is your trustworthy, maybe your parents, maybe your teachers, whosoever. But if you need help, if you need a solution to wherever you are stuck, this is the guidance that you should ask for help if you need to. If you are not able to find solutions within yourself, then perhaps you need to take help from someone whom you trust and whom you think will give you the right advice. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.